I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and locating battery data. Charge to between 30 and 80% so readings are stable. This avoids calibration errors. Once done, enable developer options quickly. Tap build number 7 times and about. Then, make sure to open settings and go to battery, then battery usage or battery health. Some Techno models hide details in developer options. You need this view to see real-time consumption and stats. It's the foundation for the checks that follow. You now run diagnostics and watch how the battery behaves. Open the battery health or testing menu to read voltage and estimated capacity. These numbers show degradation. Next, monitor screen on time, background drain, and wake clocks for 10 to 15 minutes while performing typical tasks. This reveals abnormal drains. If the handset lacks detail, install a trusted app like a Qoo battery, then run its capacity test. It measures mAh and estimates wear. Make sure to record values for comparison later. You finish by interpreting numbers and taking corrective action. Compare measured capacity to the phone's rated mAh. A loss greater than 20% usually means replacement. If you see fast drain, reboot into safe mode, clear battery-related caches, install any firmware updates, and recalibrate by charging to full then draining to 10% once. Make sure to stop using the device and contact authorized service immediately if the battery is swollen or shows unstable voltage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.